I'm here with my dad, and we're gonna plant just a real simple deck container, thrillers, fillers, and spillers for full sun. So watch what we do. We found these trailing vincas in the yard, so I thought I'd go ahead and use those. Dad already got those in. Dad, will you hold this for me? Okay, let's go ahead and put some begonias in. Very simple bedding plants. Are you ever too old to garden, Dad? Never. All right, let's put this in the bag, because this is going to be a little taller. All right, good. Yep, let's get it right down in there. Okay. Since this is a small container, it won't hold a lot, but these will be pretty. Go ahead and dig in there. Yep, good job. Good job. All right. Ooh, that's a good job. Okay, so we have some pretty, it's called Palace Blue, but it's called Lobelia. Look at that. That'll be kind of our filler. And then this will also be some filler, some purple alyssum. Dad, which one do you want to put in first?
Put the alyssum in.
The alyssum in, okay, yep. So we went ahead and popped our little containers. All right, let's go ahead. Let's see, I think we might need to slide these over a bit because that's our point, our center point. All right, there you go. All right, let's get, let's scooch that to the front. All right, let's dig a hole right there for me, Dad. We've been doing gardening forever. It's kind of in our blood. So we're gonna finish this up. All right, you got that other one in there, Dad? Okay, good. Hey, you're wearing soil here, mister. So what's new, huh?
Yeah.
You've been in the dirt a long time. All right, well, we'll put one on the outside. Okay, go ahead and dig a hole there. Good. Okay. All right, you want to go ahead and scooch that soil around there with the other hand? Fill that in. Yep, good. Nice. So those will kind of spill a little bit over the edge as well. And the last one we'll put in is this pretty blue lobelia. All right. We're outside. It's nice and cool. I'm at my dad's in Pennsylvania, my home state. Oh, those are pretty. I have a picture, Dad, that you gave me that I think I brought some lobelia to you with a couple other flowers. So this always reminds me of you and Mom. Yeah. All right, you ready to get another hole dug in there? Let's put one right in the middle. All right, that's good. I'm gonna see if I can't scooch this one back and we'll get one more lobelia in there. Which one do you think is good, Dad? Pick one.
Well, this one here.
That one looks good? Okay. Okay, good. All right, you can take that out. I'll just make it a little deeper. All right. We'll tip those forward a little bit. All right, let me get some more soil in there. I'll just fill that in. Will you smooth that out, Dad? Just kind of scatter that around in there a little bit. Yeah, break those pieces up. So let me show you what we used as a workbench here. Look, I pulled out my dad's wheelbarrow and I just put a couple boards here and I made a makeshift workbench. It worked out really good. But Dad, you did a good job here. So I didn't have enough potting soil, and what I needed to do was combine some things. And I used some of the soils that are here locally, but they're full of clay, so I needed just a little bit more. And I found out that my sister has this beautiful compost, so I added it to the mix. Come on and look. See this beautiful compost? It's nice and crumbly, and I mixed it with potting soil, and I'm gonna mix all these up together. Make sure you do that, because otherwise you'll have, see the clay? I need to break that apart. Lots of clay in here. Boy, lots of clay. So I finished mixing my soil, and I decided to snap one of these back from the other one that we worked on, because it'll multiply and fill in nicely. And since we had 2 containers, we'll do some more planting. Go ahead, Dad. Dig away in there. Mix that up. Yeah, nice. Yeah. But now I think we have it broken up pretty good. Let's just go ahead and we'll start putting the flowers in. So now these are going to be your plants to take care of, Mr. Misser. Put that over a little bit. I like getting my hands dirty. I didn't like it growing up. Gosh, I did not like working in the flower garden or in the vegetable gardens too much, but You know, you just can't get away from some things. They say you can take the girl out of the country, but you can't take the country out of the girl. Oh yeah, nice. Okay, go ahead and move that trowel. That is a great trowel. Look at it. All right, so we didn't have quite enough potting soil, like I said. So Deb, will you go ahead and kind of spread that around in there? We gotta get some more soil. Let's just get dirty. That's what gardening's all about. Dad and I had some extra flowers, and I decided to fill another container. And I took one of my trailing vincas and moved it to the other plant. So Dad, I put in some kind of plants that reminded me of you and Mom. Mama's moved to heaven, and we put in trailing vinca. We put in this pretty blue lobelia, and this may even get a little purple or white flower. I'm not sure of what variety you have. And then I put in some purple, pretty little purple alyssum, and then just a pretty white begonia. So this will be a nice full sun to partial shade. They don't have full sun all day on their deck, but this will do really well out in the good weather. And I got to do it with my dad. So this has been Gretchen the Green Lady saying get out there and enjoy your gardens and get your hands dirty. And can you say hi?
I do.